Number 7. Pass to. Received by number 4. Number 34. Rebound by number 34. Pass to number 41. Tinira ng 3. No goal. Rebound by number 12. Pass to number 7. 2 points. Received by number 6. Pass to Lorenzo. Lorenzo, layup. 2 points. No goal. Rebound by number 5. Pass to number 7. No goal. Rebound by number 8. 2 points. A deep ball. Pass to number 6. 2 points. Number 13. Binalik sa number 7. Pass to number 23. Intercept by number 6. Number 3. Bring the ball. Niliap. No goal. Nakuha ng number 21. Pinera. 2 points by Aguila. Number 23. Pass to number 8. Pinera. 2 points. 2 points by Rodney. 2. Number 3. Pass to number 8. Back to number 3. Binalik si number 21. Pinasa sa number 30. Pinera. 3 points by number 30. By number 21. 2 points by Aida. Back to number 8. To number 6. 3 points by Munir. Back to number 15. Moving the ball. Abid. Pinira ng 3 points. Tubo. Rebound by number 3. Number 23. Number 23. Milina. Pass to number 2. Protect by number 8. Number 34. Pass to 21. 2 points by Aguilar. For second game. Aguilar. Nagkahanap ng pasa. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 5 for Liam. 2 points. No goal. 2 points by number 34. Number 2 dribbling the ball. Jump shot. 2 points by.